Welcome to ArgonSense, your AI-enhanced requirements management tool. Let's do a quick walkthrough of all the key functionality. For a fresh project, go ahead and click the folder with a plus icon here and give your project a name. For early stage projects, we recommend starting at the Models tab. This helps you flesh out a feature tree of what's needed for your project. So the easiest way to do that is to put any notes or transcripts into this multi-line data input here, and then select the magic wand button. And just as a side note, when you hit the magic wand button, we use pretty advanced AI, so it can take a while to process complex requests, so please be patient. It'll be worth it. It'll definitely save time in the long run. And also, if the AI only shows one cell full while this loading bar is finished, continue to wait. It's still processing a little bit there, and you'll see something shortly. Now, the way to read this feature tree is the first column is the project itself, and you can edit any of these by just typing in as you wish. The second column are the main feature branches, and then the third and the fourth are children branches of the parent branch that it is across from. You can add or subtract from any of these. So if you'd like to add a child branch, just go ahead and select the one that was here that you would like to add something onto, type something into here, and go ahead and press the plus button to add it in. If you'd like to delete or otherwise change them, select the trash can icon here, or you can even type in here what you would like it to be. Once the feature tree's in a good spot there for you and you want to start generating requirements, go ahead and go to the Requirements tab. Now, in the Requirements section, you can either add individual files here by uploading them from your computer, or you can also add in notes, elicitation transcripts, or other general prompting things you might want to put here. Again, you do not need to necessarily tell the AI how to make requirements. It is trained on 20 years of our requirements writing materials, but just the same, press the magic wand button when you are ready for it to start helping you out with requirements. Once the requirements are generated, you can go ahead and click into any part here and edit them as you see fit. You can also see statuses aligned with each one too. So next to each acceptance criteria, you can click into a status and update it, or the requirement overall. You can also add acceptance criteria or delete them here as well. And if there's something completely missing, just go ahead up here to this requirement data field and input it there. One thing that may not be immediately obvious is you can search for requirements by hovering over this tab here and typing in your search terms, and you can do similarly for acceptance criteria. To adjust the priority of a requirement, you can press the up arrow to send it to the top of the list, bottom arrow to send it to the bottom, or you can go ahead and give it a number here. Just hit the renumber icon when you are done, and it will reorganize everything there to your liking. Also, each requirement has an icon that can help you do a few things. You can add comments, you can submit bugs, or you can see metadata really easily by clicking into any of those. If you also need to provide summaries for other stakeholders, you can go ahead and click on this summarize button. If you want just a portion of your requirements to be summarized, go ahead and check those boxes. If you leave them all unchecked, it'll just summarize everything for you. If you would like to map the features from the feature tree, go ahead and click that button once the feature tree is in a good spot. And the L1, L2, and L3 columns are essentially the main branches and the sub branches. So that will pull them in here, and you can more easily trace everything from your feature tree to your requirements to make sure you're not missing anything. And lastly, if you would prefer an AI chat interface while you think through things, go ahead and click the AI chat button. This is a separate chat feature, so it will not yet pass your data to the feature tree or requirements mapping matrix that we've just shown you, but it is trained on 20 years of our requirements related materials, so it's great for quick and dirty requirements work, or if you just have general requirements questions, it can really help you out there. Do you have any other questions? Do you have feedback? Would you like to request a feature? We are constantly providing updates to ArgonSense, and we'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and enjoy your supercharged requirements experience.